In this video, you will learn about present simple tense. When to use present simple tense. Number one, talking about regular actions. We use present simple to talk about things we do regularly. Examples: I play soccer every Saturday. They go to school by bus every morning. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. He reads a book before bedtime. She walks her dog in the park every evening. Describing habits. We use present simple to describe things we always do. Example: she always brushes her teeth before bed. They usually watch a movie on Friday night. She often visits her grandparents on Sundays. He rarely eats fast food. Stating facts and general truths. We use present simple to state facts that are always true. Example: water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, the earth revolves around the sun. English is widely spoken around the world, the sun rises in the east. How to form present simple? Positive form. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject I, you, we, they, and then add the base form of the verb. For he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. Example: I play the guitar, he plays the guitar. Negative form. To make a negative sentence, start with the subject, add do not, don't, or does not, doesn't, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: I don't like eating broccoli. Question form. To ask a question, start with do or does, then add the subject, and finally add the base form of the verb. Example: do you read a book every day? Does she like eating sushi? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.